Hey, I will talk about Quince Vitamin today. Let's get started. Number 1, Vitamin C. Quince is a good source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and helps boost the immune system. Number 2, Vitamin B6. Quince contains vitamin B6, which plays a role in energy metabolism and helps maintain brain function. Number 3, Thiamine. Quince is a source of thiamine, which is important for energy metabolism and helps maintain a healthy nervous system. Number 4, riboflavin. Quince contains riboflavin, which is important for energy production and healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system. Number 5, niacin. Quince contains niacin, which is important for healthy skin, nerves, and digestion. Number 6, folate. Quince is a good source of folate, which is essential for proper fetal development during pregnancy and is important for overall health. Number 7, vitamin K. Quince contains vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health.
Please do subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching.